In dark water, predators hunt predators. This is an electric eel. It can fire up to 860 volts, enough to lock muscles instantly. Inside an electric eel are thousands of biological batteries. Special cells called electrocytes are stacked like batteries and can generate up to 860 volts. But if the target is a crocodile, thick skin, dense bone, and a massive body help spread and reduce the electrical current. The eel can shock it. It can make it flinch. But once the jaws lock in, a crocodile's bite can reach over 16,000 newtons. In wild rivers, electricity is a weapon, but mass and jaws can decide the outcome.